And the race is on. Famous girl, fast to be in rushing up is Harrods Magic. Business class on the father outside, moving up by the rallies, Mr. Integrity. Harrods Magic, business class. Pot of gold down on the inside. Mr. Integrity running down in the inside, and on the outside is Famous Girl. Nearing the last 800, Harrods Magic by Hapalan, followed by Pot of Gold. Business class racing in third by some 3 lengths, Mr. Integrity. Famous Girl is racing in fifth by a length and half, cut made down on the inside, Golden Hannah. Rounding the far turn, Harrods Magic, this time by a length and a half. Pot of Gold remains in second. Business class is running in third by some 2 lengths. Mr. Integrity, Famous Girl, Cut May sneaking by the rail. And on the outside is Golden Hannah, Bagong Silang as they swing for home. Number 7, Harrods Magic by some 2 lengths. Mr. Integrity down on the inside, Pot of Gold. And nearing the finish line, Harrods Magic, Mr. Integrity down on the inside, moves up, and finally Mr. Integrity. Harrods Magic, Cut May close, Famous Girl close for fifth placer, business class, and Golden Hannah.